Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing Sylvanian video. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're all doing great, because we're about to unbox the prettiest set I have ever seen in my entire life. So here I have the baby mermaid shop, which is so cute. I hope my ring light is not blocking the view. So here we have the baby mermaid shop. And I'm not gonna lie, I bought it because of the cute colors. Can you see the box? Can you see the box? Yeah, it was so cute. I had to get it. And plus, I love mermaids. I secretly wish I was one. And to be honest with you, I bought it because of the pretty pastel colors. They're all my favorite colors. It's looking so cute. And look at that. Do you see that? Do you see that? The silk cat, baby. I really like that cute little mermaid outfit. So you know me, I had to get it. And I had to unbox it here with you. So everyone can see. Are you okay? It's fine, it's fine. It's fine. Before I move you onto my unboxing little table, tell me, what do you think about my new background / setup, whatever? Do you like it? Do you prefer the previous one? Do you like the purple lights? Tell me, what do you think? Do you guys see what I have done for you? Is it pretty? Alright, now you can come with me. Here is our box. Look how pretty it looks. Oh my god. Look at all that pretty colors. And I just realized this is a part of the amusement park series, which is so cute. There are a lot of things you can buy to make it look prettier. And here is everything that you're gonna find inside of the box. Close-up pictures. It looks like a little home, to be honest, and it has a lot of accessories. I'm so excited. And don't forget our little Sylvanian story. You can pause and read it. I'm not good at reading. I'm not gonna do it today. And here's all the items that you're gonna find inside. It really has a lot of accessories. I'm excited. Also, I can't get over this outfit. It looks amazing. And it's all my favorite colors. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at the little star. Look at the little seashell outfit. Oh my god, I cannot. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. How? Okay, here. Let's open it. Okay. I believe it's gonna be in parts. I'm not sure. Look at the little Sylvanian. It's out. It's free. It's looking cute. And there's a lot of cardboard inside. Give me a second. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Yeah. Okay. And the box is empty. We got stickers and instructions one more time. And here. Oh, we got. Hold on. And here is our little seashell. Look how cute it is. And I believe here's all the accessories and parts for the little house. Wait, there's more. Oh, look, there's another part. And I thought something was missing. Okay, there's the other part of the house. How do I get it out? Okay, let's free the little Sylvanian first. Oh, it was that easy. Look how cute it is. I keep saying, look how cute it is, look how cute it is, but it's so cute. I need to show you. It's time. Okay, oh, wow, the detail, the color, oh my god. I'm loving it. I'm just loving it. Okay, since we took the seashell part first, let's take the other one as well. And then we're gonna unbox the Sylvanian. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed. This time, I'm actually impressed. Wow, what is that? It is so beautiful. It has all my favorite colors. Does this open? Oh, yeah, it does. Is it a little bed? What is it? It's definitely something for the little Sylvanian to sit in. Gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Now let's free the little Sylvanian. I think it's time, right? It's gonna be easy. I hate this kind of packaging. I hate this kind of packaging. Oh, wait. You can just cut it out. Look how pretty it is. We can easily take it out. No, this time I have to cut it. Where's the... Okay, let's cut her out. Can we take a moment to talk about how beautiful this little cat is? And as it said on the box, her name is Gilly, and she's a silk cat baby. I'm just loving her. Oh my god, look at that skirt. Look at that skirt. And now here's her accessories. Hope I don't drop them this time. Okay, let's okay, I did it. We have her cute little headpiece. We got a tiara, a beautiful one. A seashell magic wand. Is that what it is? And of course, a little pearl. So cute. Look at her. I think we should give her the tiara. This is a princess. Yeah, she looks so much better with a tiara. Now let's take out the other parts and accessories of the house. Oh my, oh my. There we go. Oh god, there's so many things. I believe this is a little chair slash couch, whatever. And this looks like a little table. Not really sure what that is. I'm pretty sure we'll see in the instructions. And I believe these are the accessories. So cute. So we have a little handbag, another starfish bag, a little crab bag, and this little turtle. It's very tiny. And this other package, are those balloons? Are those balloons? I'm pretty sure they are. Love the colors. And now, let's see the instructions a little bit, because I'm a little confused on how to put all these things together. I believe these are the stickers for this. I'm not sure what it is yet. But here's all the instructions. So it kind of connects like a scallop. Okay. Oh, that's all. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna start with these things since it's the only thing that needs stickers. Let's put it together real quick. And done. Perfect. All right, now it's time to put the two big parts together. It's supposed to be outside, like so. Okay, it is connected. It's supposed to be a little handbag. Hold on. Oh, wow. And it opens up and now it is a house. Oh, I just realized I forgot to open this. The struggle is real with those things. Okay. I see something tiny. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You can tell that this is a shop. Look how tiny this is. And we got a little hairbrush. We got a little hairbrush over here. So yeah, now we are ready to put the house together. So since this is a shop, I believe this is where all the handbags go. We're selling them. According to the picture, this little thing goes up there. I'm just watching the picture right now to see where I can put everything. Here is the little pearl. And also her breast goes right there in the mirror. Look how pretty it looks. I don't know what this hang is for, but anyway. Here there are two little holes for the balloons, I believe. Here's one. And the other one. A little space for the chair or couch, whatever that is. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. And everything is set. Is this how I want it to be? I don't know. Does it look good? Should I change it? Okay, so little Sylvanian is in. Oh, is that what it is for? Yeah, for the other bag. I forgot about this bag completely. Look how cute it looks. I just love the colors. I can't. It's so beautiful. Oh, look, I can see myself in the mirror. Do you see? Do you see? Hi! Oh my god. Hello! Anyway, last part is this little sign. And she's supposed to hold this. The magic wand. Can she? I think she can. She can. She can hold it. Oh my god, this is the prettiest thing I have ever seen in my entire life. So pretty. Here's a closer look of our little seashell shop. So pretty. I'm actually thinking of getting the mermaid set. I saw it in the box. It's like a big amusement park thing. And it looks so pretty. And it has a little mermaid inside. So yeah, tell me, what do you think? You think I should get the little mermaid set? Should I? Should I? I'm really close to. Just say the word. Okay, now let's try and turn it into a bag. Taking this off. We don't want to lose that. And do we just close it? Will it? Oh god. Oh god. Will it just close like that? Do I have to do anything? I don't know. I don't hear a clicking sound. It's not quite. How do we do it? How do we do it? Okay, it doesn't really say anything on the box, so just hold on. Oh wait, I think I did it. Oh, I did it. Look, it's locked now. Now it is a beautiful handbag. Okay, let's put the sign inside of the house. Sorry, stop, so we don't lose it. And look, there's a space for a little Sylvanian to go. Oh wow. And you just place it inside so we can see the world while you're traveling. And all set. Okay, I want this to be my everyday handbag from now on. Can somebody turn it into a real bag and sell it to me? Like, please. It is amazing. So beautiful, so pretty. It has all of my favorite colors. It has pastels, and it's a mermaid. Oh my god. I'm just loving it. My neighbors are watching me. I'm sitting next to a window. I think you see me right now. Anyway, let's continue with the video. I don't mind. So, here is the big mermaid castle I really wanted. It looks so pretty. Look at it. Now that I have this new handbag, it looks so good with my clothes. Look. I'll be walking around like this. So pretty. So beautiful. So cutesy. This is who I am now. The real me. And here, you reached the end of the video. Congratulations, and honestly, thank you once again. Before I go, there's one more thing I need to show you because I'm very happy. Are you ready? It's a hat. And it's the cutest hat I have ever seen in my entire life. I got it from Shein. It has those little 2 ribbons. And also, I bought a coat that looks exactly like this to match it. And I'll probably do a photo shoot with it. I love it. I love the vibe. Do you? Is this how you wear it though? Nah. Okay, so thank you so much for watching once again. And if you like this video, please give it a like, because it does help me a lot, you know? If you're not subscribed to this channel and you want to be, hit that button now, and we can all become a big Sylvanian family. If you want to follow me on other social media platforms, you can find the links down in the description. I post a lot of Sylvanian and Squishmallow unboxings there as well. As for us, we'll see you next time. And I'll be walking around the streets like this. This is my new style. This is new me. New year, new me. Bye.